Welcome to biology online class from the Govind Krishna High School. Today we will discuss about the vitamins deficiency diseases. Yes, vitamin. Yes, vitamins and deficiency diseases. Yes, already you know very well about the vitamins also one kind of the nutrients. You know, vitamins are organic substances. Vitamins are the organic substances. Means derived from the living organisms, plants and animals. So vitamins are the organic substances because they are produced from the plants and animals. That's why vitamins are the organic substances. These vitamins are required very small amount to our body, minute amount to our body. That's why vitamins are called micronutrients. Micronutrients. Vitamins are the organic substances. They require small amount to our body. That's why vitamins are called micronutrients. These vitamins were first discovered by Kashmir Funk, K. Funk. Yes, when was yes 1810. Yes. Vitamins were first discovered by Kashmir Funk. Yes. So who discovered the vitamins? K. Funk or Kashmir Funk. Yes. In the year 1810. These vitamins are required small amount to our body. That's why they are called micronutrients. All these vitamins are available both in the plant sources and animal sources of the food. There are the two main sources of food to the human being. Are two ways. There are two ways to obtain the required nutrients to our body. One is food, which are derived from the plants and animal sources. Plant sources and animal sources food is the one of the main source of vitamins. And the second one is the some vitamins are synthesized or produced in our own body. These vitamins are two types. Yes, there are two types of vitamins based on their solubility. Based on the solubility, vitamins are two types. They are water soluble vitamins. Yes, water soluble vitamins. And the second type are the fat soluble vitamins. Yes, water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins. Vitamins are two types, are two categories based on their solubility. They are water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins. Now we will discuss what are the water soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins. Yes. Vitamin B and vitamin C. Vitamin B and vitamin C are the water soluble vitamins. Yes. So, water soluble vitamins are vitamin B and vitamin C. Fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E and K. Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and the vitamin K are the fat soluble vitamins. First we will discuss about the water soluble vitamins. Yes. Vitamin B and vitamin C are the water soluble vitamins. Yes. Of this, first we will discuss about that vitamin B. Vitamin B is not a single vitamin. It is a group of vitamins. That's why it is called as a B complex vitamin. B complex vitamin. Vitamin B is a group of vitamins. That's why it is called a B complex vitamin. What are the vitamins in the vitamin B complex? They are thiamine, riboflavin, niacin. Yes. Fourth one, pantothenic acid. And the fifth one is the pyridoxine. And the sixth one is the biotin. Seventh one is the folic acid. Eighth one is the cyanocobalamin. Yes, cyanocobalamin. These are the B complex vitamins. Yes. There are several vitamins in the B complex. Yes, approximately 8 vitamins are there in the B complex. They are thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid, pyridoxine, biotin, folic acid, and cyanocobalamin. Yes. First, we will discuss about the thiamine. Yes. Thiamine is one of the B complex vitamin. Yes. Yes. Its chemical name is the vitamin B1. What is the chemical name of thiamine? Vitamin B1. Yes. What is the requirement? Thiamine is necessary. Yes. What is the requirement of thiamine? Thiamine is necessary for the metabolism of metabolism of carbohydrates. Metabolism of carbohydrates. Yes. The requirement of thiamine is a metabolism of carbohydrates. Yes. What are the sources of this thiamine? Yes. Sources. It is available in all cereals. Yes. All cereals, oil seeds, and leafy vegetables, milk, meat, egg, they are the sources of thiamine. Yes. In India, rice and wheat, they are the main source of thiamine to the adult human being. And milk is the important sources of thiamine for the infants. Infant means the age below 2 years. That child is called as a infant. For all the infants, milk is the main source of thiamine. For the adult human being, rice and wheat. Yes. How this thiamine is lost from the food? Suppose if the rice is washed repeatedly with the water and the thiamine is lost from the rice. Suppose if the rice is over polished, due to the polishing also thiamine is lost from the rice. And somebody after washing this rice repeatedly with water and again they can add more water, at the time of boiling water is removed. In this way water is removed from the boiled rice also, one reason for losing of thiamine from the rice. Okay, what is the disease is caused by deficiency of this thiamine? Yes. Deficiency of thiamine causes a beriberi disease. Yes. Yes, beriberi disease. You know what is the beriberi disease? Beriberi disease is characterized by the tender in the calf muscles, pain in the forehead hand and foreleg. Tender in the calf muscles, vomiting, tremors, difficulty in breathing, convulsions means fits, and paralysis. They are the symptoms of beriberi. What are the symptoms of beriberi? Tender in the calf muscles, vomiting, tremors, difficulty in breathing, and paralysis, fits. These are the important symptoms of this beriberi disease. Next, second vitamin. Yes, riboflavin. Yes, riboflavin. Chemical name is vitamin B2. What is the chemical name of riboflavin? Vitamin B2. What is the requirement? Yes, requirement. Vitamin B is required for the oxidation and reduction reactions. Oxidation and reduction reactions. Oxidation and reduction reactions. Means in the cellular respiration. Vitamin riboflavin is required for the oxidation and reduction reactions. And the sources of riboflavin are milk, meat, egg, all the fresh leafy vegetables. These are the important sources of riboflavin. Deficiency disease. Yes, what is the disease? The deficiency disease is a glossitis. Yes, glossitis. You know what is the glossitis? Mouth cracks at corners. Mouth cracks at corners. And show red glass tongue. Yes. Show red glass. Show red glass means yes, small rashes are formed over the tongue, and the tongue also red in color. That is the show red glass tongue. Symptoms of glossitis. What are the symptoms of glossitis? Mouth cracks at corners, show red glass tongue, and scaly skin. These are the important symptoms of beriberi disease. Yes. Next, yes. After this riboflavin, next vitamin is a niacin. Yes. Niacin is also one of the B complex vitamin. Chemical name is B3. What is the chemical name of niacin? Vitamin B3. This niacin is also known as nicotinic acid. Yes. What is the requirement? Niacin is required for the metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids means fats. Metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Niacin is required for the metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats means lipids. This niacin is available in the milk, meat, oil seeds, and egg yolk, yellow colored portion in the egg, and fish, poultry, and vegetables. They are the important sources of niacin. Yes. Deficiency disease. Pellagra. Yes. The disease caused by deficiency of niacin is a pellagra. You know what are the symptoms of pellagra? They are dermatitis, diarrhea, dementia. Yes. You know what is the dermatitis? Skin disease. The skin is black, pigmented, and is scaly. and the loss of water from the body through the vomiting and motion, that is called as a diarrhea. Dementia, loss of memory. Dermatitis, skin disease, diarrhea, loss of water from the body, dementia, loss of memory, and scaly skin also. So these are symptoms of this pellagra disease. Next the complex between the fourth one, pantothenic acid. This pantothenic acid also one of the B complex vitamin. Chemical name is B5. Chemical name is B5. This pantothenic acid is required for the same metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. The functions of the requirement of both pantothenic acid and niacin is the same. What is the requirement of pantothenic acid and niacin? Metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats or lipids. Okay. This pantothenic acid is available in the milk, meat, egg, poultry, and groundnut oil, and it is also available in the sweet potatoes and vegetables. They are the important sources of pantothenic acid. Deficiency of this pantothenic acid causes a burning of feet. Yes. Means burning the sensation of feet and also spraying. Yes. Spraying means cracks are formed on the foot. Burning sensation of it, burning of it, and spraying means cracks are formed on the foot. They are the symptoms of this pantothenic acid. Next one is the pyridoxine. Yes. Pyridoxine is also one of the B complex vitamin, and the chemical name of this pyruvic acid is a B6. Yes. What is the chemical name of pyridoxine? The chemical name of pyridoxine is a B6. Yes. This pyridoxine is required for the metabolism of amino acids. Yes. Metabolism of amino acids. Metabolism of amino acids. Yes. It is available in the fish, poultry, liver, and vegetables. Deficiency of this pyridoxine causes a anemia. Yes. You know what is the anemia? Lack of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin percentage will be very low in the blood. That is called as a anemia, or that condition is called as a anemia. Along with this, nausea also. Nausea means having the wanting sensation. Nausea and hyper irritability. The symptoms of, yes, the disease caused by deficiency of pyridoxine is anemia. Anemia symptoms are hemoglobin will be very less and hyper irritability and nausea. They are the symptoms of vitamin pyridoxine. Yes. Next vitamin. Yes. What is the next vitamin? Biotin. Yes. Biotin. The chemical name of biotin is B7. It is required for the metabolism of proteins. Yes. Metabolism of proteins. Metabolism of proteins. Yes. Biotin is required for the metabolism of proteins. It is available in the cereals, leafy vegetables, poultry, fish, egg yolk. They are the important sources of biotin. Deficiency of this biotin causes the nerve disorders. Yes, nerve disorders. And the symptoms of this deficiency of vitamin B3 are fatigue, tightness of muscles. Yes, fatigue, tightness of muscles, and weak. These are the symptoms of this biotin, deficiency of this vitamin biotin. Yes. What is the next vitamin? Folic acid. Yes, folic acid. It is also one of the B complex vitamin. Chemical name is B9. Yes, chemical name is B9. And this folic acid, it was discovered by the Dr. Y. Subbarao. Dr. Y. Subbarao. Yellapragada Subbarao. Dr. Yellapragada Subbarao. He was born in the Bhimavaram West Godavari district, our Andhra Pradesh state only, and he discovered this folic acid, one of the B complex vitamin folic acid. Yes, it is required for the synthesis of nucleic acids. Yes, synthesis of nucleic acids. Yes. The requirement of folic acid is a synthesis of nucleic acid, and this folic acid is available in the milk, meat, fish, poultry, liver, and leafy vegetables. They are the important sources of folic acid. Deficiency of this folic acid causes anemia. Yes. Deficiency of pyridoxine also causes anemia. Deficiency of folic acid also causes the anemia, and reducing the lifespan of red blood cells, and also reducing the production of white blood cells, and overcooking folic acid is damaged. Yes, in the next class we will discuss about the remaining vitamins. Yes.